Hello over there at Steele Scapes Landscape Services Company. Thank you, first of all, for giving us the green light to send this video to you guys. I was told Christina would be the correct person to send this video to. Christina, I hope you're watching. My name is Eddie Medina and I work with Boundless SEO and we're a digital marketing agency. I was doing some research in your area and came across your company's website and decided to contact you. I figured I'll shoot a quick video to give you 3 tips on how you can improve your website and beat out your competition online. In this video, we'll see what you have going behind the scenes through your website, and comparing it to one of your competitors. Now, I don't want to waste too much of your time, so I'll keep this super short. If by the end of this video you are interested in our strategies, please give me a call so we can further chat. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take this video as educational and try it yourself. Just be very careful if you do. All right, let's get into it. The 3 things I like to go over is your content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here. It's a good website. The colors are soft. Who doesn't like that on a website? You know, good for the eyes. Overall, it's fairly good. I did notice that the your website is not secured. It's a simple fix. It's just renewing your SSL certification. However, at this point, it's not secured. Typically, you want to see around 1,500 words of text content. This will, of course, improve relevance to the services you offer and a level of trust inside of Google for a better ranking. In that 1,500 words of content, you really want to start inserting keywords organically without stuffing. What I mean by stuffing, in other words, is spamming or spam. For example, having keywords all over the page, making it obvious your intentions are to throw these keywords, but scattered without protocol, that's just going to hurt your website. Also, what I mean by keywords is jumping into Google, typing in the services around your area, for example, landscaping Fresno, California, or something more specific. That would be a good keyword. And of course, that has to have a good high volume search. That's what I mean by keywords, pretty much just by your intent keywords. Yeah, so believe it or not, if you don't follow protocol, Google will actually flag your website, and that's just not a good sign for your business. Let's jump into Ahrefs here. This is a paid tool. This is what we use. Here we'll view the back end of your website. If you jump into ahrefs.com, punch in your URL here, it'll show you what you have going behind the scenes. Organically, you have one. So one person last month jumped onto your website organically. Organic keywords, 35, and again with the keywords, this is very important. Referring domains, 22, backlinks, 83. The DR 16 and the URL, I'll get into detail here in a bit. The second thing I like to make you aware of is backlinks. When you think of the web, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another, right? Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website, it's a separate website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware though that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, that can actually hurt your website. So just be careful. Your backlink section should be the UR meter here, 15, which you currently have. Backlinks, you have 83 total, which is not bad. For 83, you're getting 15. Seems as if you have okay quality backlinks, but just be careful. You need to get those good quality backlinks in order for it to improve rapidly. 15 and 16 on the DR. So this is good. Keeping it in a 1-to-1 ratio, that's what you want to see. It's good practice. So I'm not sure if you meant to do this or you already have a digital marketing agency, depending on how long it's been. But it looks like that you on the rankings you're going down, which is not a good sign. In July, it looks like you bumped a good amount there, but yeah, you went back down. It's just at this point, it's just decreasing. It's not a good sign. The third thing I like to talk about is a citation. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. Any of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services to create a new avenue for people to reach them for their services. That's pretty much what a citation is, and that would be your DR meter here. So pretty much your citations might be inside these 22 referring domains, but looks like it's giving you a bit of power there. So overall, it's not bad, but you need to work on this for periodically So you could continue that boost, but this is just not a good sign that you're going down. Finally, if a website is lacking keywords, backlinks, and citation, that site is not really getting any boost, which of course leads to missing out on opportunities, calls and leads. Who doesn't want that for their business, right? Being on that first page of Google. Let's look at one of your competitors here, Fresno Landscapers. So as you can see, they have a lot of content, a lot of text content. So might be around 1,500, maybe more, but this is good practice. I'm sure they have a agency working for them behind the background. What they have going in the website, organic keywords 362, organic traffic, this is what they're getting in per month. So there's 259 people jumping into the website per month. Referring domains 94, backlinks over 1,000. The DR29, UR32, it's not in a 1-to-1 ratio, but it's close enough. This is still good, but again, 1-to-1 ratio is what you want to go for. So yeah, they're pretty much doing good. They're not hard to beat or impossible to beat. You just got to follow protocol. It does take time. It's not something that'll happen overnight, but this is what you got going. And this is what we do in our end. It's what we take care of. We're a little bit, technical side. This is just a video in a nutshell to explain what we do. Hopefully this has been informative and educational for you. I really hope you got a lot out of this. If you need more information or have any questions, please give me a call, text, or send me an email. We're here for you. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.